Hello everyone! If you're looking for a ton of unique and minimal tattoo designs that you haven't seen anywhere else, you've come to the right place. Tired of the same old tattoos and searching for something different? In this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of awesome tattoo ideas using just a simple pen that will blow your mind. Do you think tattoos can only be made with needles and machines? You're seriously mistaken, my friend. We're about to discover a whole new world of tattoos with just a pen and a bit of creativity. So buckle up, because we're going to have a blast and get tons of fresh ideas. I promise you won't regret it, and you'll learn a ton of new designs.